See what's in the fridge. The freezer is pretty organized, but this is the main thing that I wanted to tackle. Since I'm going keto, I gotta do better at what I bring to the house. Whatever you see in here is probably stuff that was in here from before. Anything I bought recently necessarily. I did buy that Stokes cold brew coffee in the pumpkin flavor, but my granddaughter is the only one who had some of that. In that pan is some chicken thawing out. Back there, I don't even know what's going on, guys. It's like, my granddaughter's water bottles, they've been here, staying here the last couple of weekends. And on the door, yeah, there's no rhyme or reason. We got some onions down there and cilantro that's gone bad and salsa. What's in here? Few cheese. So basically, I'm going to take everything out, wipe the refrigerator down, throw away stuff, and then put stuff back in. Wow. Little did I know I really needed to address this fridge. Besides the fact that inside needs wiping down. Hasn't been wiped down for as long as I can remember. So we have, let's see, where do we start? Back here in this corner here, this bag and those were just the stuff I bought from a nostalgic type of store. And my granddaughters were supposed to do a video on trying things and candies that I used to eat as a kid and see what their reaction is. This is going in the trash. It's a muffin. Some corn tortillas going in the trash. We have all of these sauces that I picked up on my obsession for chicken nuggets. And I got them, but I didn't ever eat them. We have onions in here and cilantro gone bad. This is chicken. I'm going to go ahead and cook that today. My granddaughter's water bottle, going to toss those out. My water, I forget what this is. I think it's coconut milk. My oldest daughter left that here, so I don't know the expiration. These three things are going to get eaten today. This is some old ketchup packets I had in there because I hate buying ketchup. This looked like some expired stuff right here. All expired. This. Don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. These look like they're about to expire, although one has never been opened, so I'll be definitely tossing out one. This is some old leftovers. This is a bucket full of, this came off the bottom shelf in the fridge on the door where I would store junk food for my granddaughters if they wanted candy or whatever. So clearly it's old, a lot of it. These are creamers that I bought before I decided to go keto. So these three aren't even open, so I just kind of keep them in the very back of the fridge. This is the jam I've been obsessed with. This is Miracle Whip. And I had just bought that shortly before I decided to go keto. And then we have a little bag of flour, which I probably can toss out too. These are candies that my daughter bought me, ordered from Amazon, had sent to me. And this is some cold cuts, Earth Balance vegan butter. Some pickles that have been in there for a while. The pickle juice helps with leg cramps, so the juice, I'm going to hang on to it. This, I couldn't find the expiration on it, so I'll double check and see if I want to keep that. And this syrup was here. My oldest daughter bought it some. And then some oyster sauce, some ACV, almond milk that my daughter bought here, some flaxseed, some vinegar that I bought from Dollar Tree or 99-cent store, a Bang drink, and some cheeses, eggs, some butter that's good for keto, feta cheese, heavy cream. These are things that are good for keto, which is Italian dressing, almond milk, bone broth. And so really that's all that was in the fridge. But I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the fridge and then put the stuff back in and throw away some of it. I'm just going to be lazy and clean it with the Lysol wipes. I am so sorry. I normally was going to go get my cleaning rag, my bag that I used to deep clean the whole kitchen, and then I have a separate one for the bag. Those, I don't know what you call those rags, but like I said, I'm doing it the lazy way, and I'm just going to This is literal dust accumulated right here. That is weird. Yeah, you know, as it turns out, I guess the Lysol wipe is better to use only because, you know, any germs or whatever. And plus, I just finished having company, so I feel like I'm getting it sanitized and clean at the same time. This is the weirdest fridge, to tell you the truth. It's like it's just not made sound. That portion back there is just useless. But I'm going to set all those drinks on that ledge because it's separated from this top. And it's just useless. I don't know how to explain it other than that. These buttons I haven't figured out how to use either. Let me just clean this out and put the stuff back in so I can feel like I got something done today. I'm in my home clothes. I look toe up. So I'm trying to be in this video minimum. Your girl is sweating. That's that. No, I probably should clean it better. All right, I'm gonna use one more of these. Yeah, I might have to rearrange some stuff too. This refrigerator makes you bend your neck a lot, which is crazy. And this fridge, if you leave it open too long, the sensor will definitely turn the light out. So I think that's a good thing. I'm gonna take this out too. Wipe under here. Yeah. All right. Put this back. Giving me a hard time. How would I adjust? Just changing it up a bit. I don't think it's going to really help anything. All right. There's that. The group of stuff that will be getting trashed. So this mustard is expired. This is old. That's old. These two are expired. This is completely useless. It was cilantro. Some muffin. I took the 5 eggs out and set them in a bowl and throw away the container. Some tortillas that I had for I don't know how long, and this relish bag with some flour in it, and this was some leftover meat that I know I'm not going to eat. So these are the things that I'll be tossing in this Walmart bag for trash. And just get it in here. And here's the finished fridge. And I think this all took me about 20 minutes, not more than 30. So on this top row here, I have my keto-friendly things I just want easy access to, and also to remember that I have it in the fridge. And then down here on the third row where I'll have my granddaughter's whatever I end up getting for them that needs to be refrigerated. That's reserved for that. This shelf, I'm dividing it by the candies my daughter sent me from Amazon. And this stuff to the right is a no-no. And that stuff to the left is a yes. So here's the crisper, what it looks like. And I set the boiled eggs in there. And then I have the cheeses in the back and the cold cut. So I'm just going to close that. My water bottle sitting there that I fill up and take to work. In the back, we have items that need to be in the back of the refrigerator, the coldest part, because they're not open. And I have to try to figure out how to incorporate them into something because I did pay for them. You'd rather I, you know, use it for company. Daughter-in-law did give me the hazelnut one. She gave me a 3-pack of creamer when she went on keto, but then now I'm on keto, so I can't even finish that. And then I want to, I don't know if this is keto friendly or not, but I'll look it up and I will put that in my coffee because it is. For that, I have nothing else in the fridge. I guess, I don't know. I have a little keto haul, but it's still nothing that belongs in the fridge. So that's my fridge.